What's up, YouTube? We're back with another episode of What the Hell Am I Doing? And this week, well, it's officially punishment time. It's been a long time since I've done this. It is a death shot punishment for my failed bet on the UFC last week, the headlining event between Alistair Overeem and Walt Harris. I think everybody wanted Harris to win, and it just didn't work out that way, unfortunately. But I will give credit to Alistair, considering the situation that was surrounding the fight. I thought he handled it well. As soon as he defeated him, he went to him, and, he said some things to him that I thought were pretty cool, and, he showed that he's got a good heart. So, it was good that he wasn't douchey in victory, that he did the right things, and I think he came out a winner, considering what happened. I think yes, he won the fight, obviously. I think Alistair was able to come out a winner with the fans too. So that was good to see. I feel bad for Walt Harris. I was hoping he'd win, but he'll be back. And I don't think he was really ready yet. But that's the only way you find out, unfortunately. So yeah, we'll see what happens next time he comes out. I'm sure we'll see a better version of him. And Overeem, I don't want to overrate the guy from what we saw here. I sometimes underrate the guy. I don't know what to expect from him. We'll see. He wants to have a title run at 40 years old. All right, well, depending who he fights, I guess it could happen. So we'll see how that goes. But anyways, the whole point I'm talking about that is because I was wrong on my pick. I said I would do a death shot, and this, of course, is the 33 Reaper Death Challenge death shot, and this is friggin' hot. And I'm a little nervous today, to be honest, because it's been many months now since I've had to do this. I've had these around. I don't do them for pleasure. I save them for the videos. I save them for you guys. So for that, I would ask that everybody hit that subscribe button. Everybody hit that thumbs up button. And comment if you like what you see. And tell me what you think about the fights. Or if you saw that fight, what you thought of the results. I want to know what you guys think. So, this is for you. I'm punishing myself for you. So because I was wrong last week, and, I don't put money down on any sports. There's something about sports. I think being a Leaf fan, it taught me you can never count on anything. So with sports, even though I know I'm good at picking fights, I've never put a cent down on a fight bet. This is as far as I'm willing to go. Personal punishment. As long as it's good for the, for TV, makes for TV gold, and it keeps you guys happy, I'll do this. So, this is my punishment for picking the wrong fight. Wrong winner last week in the fight. And we're going to get down to that in 1 second. Next week, there's going to be another UFC, I believe. It all depends on whether or not Nevada allows it to go down or not. I know that their athletic commission is still closed unless they open a special, way for the UFC to operate or something. I don't know. But the plan is to be next week in Nevada, and I don't know if they have a plan B if that doesn't happen. So I'm hoping to be another fight next week. If there is, I'll come back on another Champ's Corner and do another garden update because my plants are getting ready to go outside. So I think I should do one last update so you can see how they did in the indoor grow season. And if there's a UFC next week, I'll do another death shot bet. How's that sound? But without further ado, it's time to stop dilly-dallying because I want to get on with the rest of my day. This isn't what I wanted to be doing today, and I've been putting it off. Especially, if the view count is low, then it's not as worth it. So make sure you guys get people to watch this. 40 views a week is not enough. I appreciate the 40 that do watch, and I love you guys. But please, get your friends to watch. Post the videos. We've got to get this thing rolling forward because the Chili Cherry Nightmare is coming. I got a lot of subscribers in the last month. A lot of new ones, that is. I don't have a ton yet, but I'm getting there. And, with your help, we're getting there. We're only 26 or 27 subscribers away from the Chili Cherry Nightmare happening now. So get the channel out there. Help me get the channel out there. And we'll do that. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you get people you know to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Comment. Let's get this thing rolling forward because I'm a maniac and I'm the champ. and I'm here to entertain you. And if I'm not doing stuff like this, I'm doing stuff like winning in video games because I'm a winner. And I'm going to also do reviews on cigars. And I'm going to do reviews maybe on scotches. Maybe I'll just talk about things like that when I have them and tell you what I think. I think I might do a review of my 1440p computer monitor. Because I'm enjoying using it while I'm doing these game broadcasts. So maybe I'm going to put my thoughts out there on that. I'm going to expand the channel. It's whatever the hell I want it to be. When I turn the channel on, it becomes what I want. And, that's how it's going to go. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you help me get more subscribers. I appreciate all you guys. I got a lot of good fans like Joshua Maxwell. I got Rachel that watches. Ernie watches. I got Fire in the Hole that watches. Max Earwax, who I play the online Quake games with. These are all loyal people. Mike at Video Games and Hot Sauce. There's a lot of them. I'm not gonna name everybody, but these are some of the top people that have been following me for a long time. And I especially want all of you to know that I appreciate you. So hopefully you saw this part of the video. And yeah, let's just keep this thing growing, okay, guys? All right. Enough babbling. Enough putting it off. Enough trying to promote. I always am promoting, but enough of that. Let's get down to the part that sucks so that you guys can get on with your day and I can get on with mine. Oh, boy. What do you think? About a third of a dropper? Does that look fair? All right. Oh, God. I can't believe I'm going to do this much after how long it's been. Okay. My balls are on the table. Screw you guys that don't like me. Screw those people who left me out. And thanks to all you that are with me loyally. I appreciate the loyal ones. Subscribe. I'm sorry I was wrong last week. I really am. There it is. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, God. What was I thinking? Oh. And that's what happens when you pick the wrong fight. When you pick wrong, you pay the price. Almost. There it is. My tongue and throat are on fire. Sweating. Feet are tingling. It's so hot. That's what happens. That's what happens. Oh, definitely not used to it. My tolerance is down. Hit-ups are crazy. is tingling. Yes, my lip is burning now. The throat burn is still churning. Brutal. Lots of fun by yourself doing this, I tell you. I think my face is starting to get cold. I'm sweating like crazy. I think the throat burn is starting to subside. I got nothing to say. I'm trying to ride it out. Throat is definitely starting to fade now. The hiccups are nasty this time. Tongue burn's starting to go away. Yeah, the hiccups are the worst part. They're starting to stop now. The burn is subsiding. I'm getting cold. But wow, what a burn. I tell you, that's how you punish yourself for being wrong when you pick fights. Absolute murder. I've never hiccuped like this before on video, I don't think. If you don't know what this is about, check out last week's video because it was about a UFC pick. Oh, I think that's it. Almost. Well, make sure you subscribe. Check out last week's video. Check out this video here. We'll see what happens with UFC, and maybe I'll be back with another bet next week. Check out my lives. I'll be back with one of those too. Thanks for tuning in.